It has begun. Yes, the anniversary has arrived. And obviously there's something different with my loadout, isn't there? Yep. 3 new Ubers. Kai, Kalisa, and Strike Unit. I went from like 7 Ubers to 15 in the span of September. I'm not complaining. Makes for more great content for this series. But there's also quite a few interesting stages. These 2 I'm never trying. Monthly All-Stars, her special blah blah blah, and then Great Diablo. I tried the Great Diablo on my main, and I never break shields, so let's not talk about that. Let's do minced meat up. I get cat burger or burger cat out of it. I'm not 100% sure, don't really care. I also got some of the Brandon Mining Corps. Like there's 3 of them. All with varying quality. I got the best one out of the set, and the most likely the worst one out of the set as well. It's an extra 60 cash food for doing this. So I mean, why not? You know, this in the weekends? Why not? I also did 77 cash food for doing stuff like 5 times, so we might get a draw at the end of the episode. Now maybe we'll get another Uber to add to our collection of questionable beings like a giant fish, Kalisa, and Kai, and a Batman knockoff. But can we just end this already? This is getting boring. There we go. 30 cat food, no cat burger, great. I got Strike Unit out of the Platinum ticket, then the other 2 out of the 11 draw. Let's see, where was that? What am I looking? Oh yeah, no, I know. Yeah, this 7 years of fun stages 7 times, which I realized just now that is a stage that appears every single day. Yeah, I'm sure I can manage something. Didn't get cat burger. Don't know what treasure they are. Guess I'm gonna have to do this until I do get cat burger. Okay, let's see. Grace chat, Grace chat, Grace chat. More of them. I heard like 50% chance is a 30% chance, so that's pretty awesome. Likely should be like 70% chance though. There we go, got him. Now we can get his true form. Not gonna have enough experience to get it, but I mean, yeah. It's only a normal difficulty. Unless it's lying, this should be easy. And after this, I'll do some Alcatraz stages, like 1 or 2 of them. With varying Ubers. Because I have 15 of them now. Would you stop that? Yeah. Shoot out you first. Pretty good against angels. I finally have an anti-angel on my squad. Don't meet them too often, but I mean, it's always nice to have one. I also got Kai, which is anti-floating, I think. Should have upgraded Strike Unit more. I think I like Strike Unit more, and the stats are better. Health is worse, but I mean, Kai is a tanker. If I could spend like an extra 500 and get the most tankiest unit in the entire game over her, so yeah, okay. We're not losing against this. It's a McDonald's meal. Come on, we can't lose against it. Did you hear how I just described it? Did you hear? Okay. Fishy's about to die. And the fishy's dead. This is embarrassing. How am I losing? Stop losing. What is my squad doing? This is normal difficulty, guys. Come on. It shouldn't be difficult. This is no right to be difficult. Send out hates. End the round now. Kill the McDonald's meal. Kill it. Send out another one of them. Instead, send out another fishy. You always want another fishy. You'd say the food is pretty fishy. Okay, got it. Okay, upgrade. Not gonna have enough, but let's see. Where's he at? Oh yeah, there's Holy Valkyrie, by the way. Wait, do it have price? Really? Huh. Okay. Well, I have to. Screw Cat Burger, I don't care. I need to get Zombie Cat. I wanted a Zombie Cat for the longest amount of time. What the hell is my Cat Burger? Oh, there he is. A quarter pound of greater aggression, perfect cartilage, gorilla assaults, 100% beef. You didn't think it was made of cat, did you? Well, I mean, what type of beef? Huh? You didn't specify. The possibility's still there. Oh, those are coin cats. Still didn't get my former cat, so don't know what that's about. Whatever. Both of them on level 1, but that piece I don't care. Then, super rare. Oh yeah, I got Apple Cat and Juliet. I don't really care. Apple's kind of useless. I have Momotaro. Who wouldn't if I have Momotaro? I do not need Apple Cat, so. And Juliet. Oh no, wasn't that a whoop-de-doo? I thought it's one of the worst super bears in the game. So, yeah, I pass. But we do have these 3. Pile Driver, Cutter, and Mitter. So, as you see, there's a little difference. And that's because, I've heard Cutter's the best one. It's the one I want. But also, yeah. Nothing new in the Crazy Cat section. Destroys wall, but you already saw that. Oh, also, one more thing. You all know Gross Cat? Yeah, the one with the legs, the extra long belly. Now he's going to the gym, and now he's muscular Billy. Oh, and also there's a Jamira. I don't really care. That's all I need to know, really. Nothing really else. Nothing else that's interesting. Oh, just these two facing dangerous cyber vengeance. I'll be facing danger in my off time. All I need to do is just have Major Space Cat or Space Cat, whatever the name is, and then just do it over and just do it over and over again. You know, with the continues until Space Cat crits. It's a long process, but I get a few cat tickets up. Okay, wasn't going to do that anyways. Like 2 chapters away from run. I don't care, but okay. Let's see. Instead of you, let's put in you. No, not over there. 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 Let's do Gold Coast. Which from what I saw is just enemies. Nothing really different. Yeah, no more gorillas. No more beach base. Go Cutter. He did nothing. Cutter's dead. Oh, but he's basically, yeah, there he goes. Okay then. That's a little disappointing. There we go. Got to Lisa. would have preferred tropical Talisa. I think she's better with the anti-red. Anti-red's a lot more useful than anti-angel. But it's nice having an anti-angel in case that weird horse comes back. Although I did kick his ass last time, I just want to be careful with it, you know. Kind of killed Hades, I think. Okay, what you got? Oh. Oh. That's great. That's real great. I love how you didn't warn me about the whole, you know, there's a bunch of boars here and whatnot. I love how you didn't warn me about that. Okay. Oh, not for 1 second. Don't ask. Don't ask. What happens? Gold Coast? Nothing. What stage? There's no Gold Coast. Next up is Pelican Island. I'm starting to see a little theme already. A couple of crocodiles. This episode might be only like 15 minutes long, just like the last one I'm doing. Why? Reasons. Oh great. It's still the Boodles. The biggest middle finger in this game. Especially the alien version. I don't like the alien version. There we go. Got the big fish. See what grades. There we go. Upgrade. Oh no, an Anteater. Something I didn't read 5,000 times. He's still his legend already. A totally original enemy. Having been done 5 billion times. In its exact stage. I would know because I played through quite a hefty chunk of it so far. I only have most to learn, and at least the whole sub chapter. If you put all the Anteaters levels together, it's gonna equal to like a whole sub chapter. Fishy probably not the right choice in this level, honestly. Especially the ducks. I don't like the ducks. They remind me of a very interesting stage that I beat a while back, like 3 episodes back. Another one. The one where I got that one. Yeah, that one. The ducks are just as tanky. Please stop with the ducks and everything. That'd be great. Why are the ducks surviving? Stop. Okay, now it's just rampage. There's an otter. Why is there an otter? My Talises are dying. Can we do something about the otter? Can we do anything about the otter? There we go, otter's down. And the duck took its place. How incredible. And another duck took its place. I'm just gonna save up. I'm gonna see what fades. What's gonna do about that, Nothing, that's what I thought. Oh no, you're gonna kill Catman, oh no. Oh no, I'm so scared. Yeah, try it. If Hades to back him up. Even if you do, I still have Hades. And keep some of the stupid ducks. I don't like how fast he's gone off back there. Similar to Lisa. Maybe that'll help. These ducks have too much health. I'm just gonna say that right now. And he's dead. Okay. That's great. Okay. Why is the stage taking so long? Stop that. Should have disabled Catman. And Hades, maybe. Yep, Hades is dead. Yeah, okay, look. Well, this is, something. Catman, go. Knock it back. Fishy, go. Do some good damage. The duck while he still can before another one appears. It takes its place. Because, it's scaring me how close it is. Am I gonna lose? Don't make me do what I did last time. I'm doing what I did. Okay. Guys, please kill the anteater. I'll just ignore that. Okay.